Fuck. Hi, I am probably back. I don't know. So these people, fuck, voice crack. These people from Baguio, convinced me to make a D&D campaign for them. Well, here we are now, back at it again. Oh my god, there's a lot of things that happened for the past few months, almost a year now. I don't want to get into details and shit, but well, the good thing about it is, hey, I graduated culinary. Holy shit, I am a chef now. Fuck. I started this not thinking I would be able to achieve anything like that, and this is probably gonna be one of the last campaigns. I'm not sure. I probably would. I am planning to do this as a hobby now, once in a while, and far more shorter stories, far more. Oh wait. Oh, it's. uh, Shorter stories, not unlike the 12 session campaigns. It just takes everyone's mind on the campaign sa sobrang tagal. It burns people out for sure. Burns me out as well. Hey, we love D&D, we love tabletop, and we're here. A lot of things change in D&D. There's like a 2024 PHB version now. I don't think I'm gonna use a lot of it. Probably some. Probably if I deem that it works with my world, I will use it. But on this campaign, I would usually use the old PHB, the old rules. We shall see. I haven't read everything yet. I am planning to read some of it. Okay. So let me just get in Discord with them, set everything up, and then we'll start the session 0. Here we go. Boys, we are live. We are live, boys. We are live. None of that.
Nig.
Whoa!
Wala. Fuck.
Ilan na tayo dito?
Character creation.
Yeah, we're gonna do character creation for now.
Naka-open na yung Baldur's Gate namin.
So, one thing, this is not like Baldur's Gate. Well, hindi naman. Some of it are like Baldur's Gate, but then some of the skills, the rules, and other stuff like that, medyo similar. It's similar in a way. Kasi sa Baldur's Gate, parang ginawa nila in a way na parang it feels like a game. D&D is more like a role-playing thing. If that makes sense? I don't know.
Okay.
So, ilan na tayo dito?
Sige, ilan na participate?
Anim.
Anim.
6 people. 6 people.
Kaya din.
Si Jer, wala pa.
Si Lance wala din.
Hindi kasali si Lance ata. Inat lang nila.
Si
Okay.
Joe.
Okay. Tutorial.
Tutorial. Oh,
May cutscene ba?
may cuts.
Wala naman.
Hindi, wala pa. Wala pang mga ganun. Sa ano pa lang. Sa tag dito. Sa first session, doon parang cutscene. Huwag nyo i-skip. Hindi, unskippable yung cutscene, sorry.
Pwede ka bang mamatay dito?
Pwede.
Pwede.
So, I integrated my own homebrew rule on this one, which is, kasi di ba Dark Souls players kayo? Hello?
Maybe.
Souls-like players kayo, so nag-integrate ako ng parang basta malaman nyo na lang. Pero parang revival system if ever mamatay kayo. So that parang no holds barred. Pwede ko kayong patayin if I want.
Kaya rin?
Kaya namayas
Okay.
natin na line.
IRL?
Yo? No. In-game. So, start
Try.
tayo siguro, So, on D&D, may gusto ba kayong malaman muna on anything, like sa world ko or something, or like D&D in general, before tayo gumawa ng characters?
Sige.
Anything, any
Is there a
question?
meta sa mga characters?
Of course,
May
there's
tier list ba? May Esther ka.
Meron ba
Fearless
guys?
ba yung character?
Oh, nasa F tier yung druid kasi joke lang.
Kasi alam mo na.
Oy, ang lakas nun na makipag-usap sa hayop tapos pwede ako mag-transform sa daga para mag-shoot sa maliliit na creators, mga ganon. Ang dami ko na-skip na map dahil sa druid. Patikitan muna tayo sa sa world.
Oh, shit.
Ano ba yung adventure natin? Ano yung lore ng ating map?
So, this world, this is not the official D&D world. This is all homebrew ko. Lahat ng ginawa ko. If makikita mo yung mapa dyan sa binigay kong link sa World Anvil, merong mapa dyan na ginawa ko talaga na akin, which is called Aurora. Aurora yung pangalan ng world. And
Wala.
Aurora.
Tiga din ako
Uy, tagal dyan ka bro.
Baler pala to eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Oh, sa Baler. Doon ako sa may Trancoville banda.
Mode talaga to.
Aurora Hill.
Aurora Hill.
Hard mode pala to. Sige. Tapos?
So, fuck. How do I even? This world is governed by 12 gods. Kailangan ko ba explain? Hindi ko naman kailangan explain yung 12 gods muna. You encounter them along the way. Which is
Alam
the
mo yung
usual
trailer
one.
lang ganon.
Parang trailer lang. May encounter sila along the way. There's this god of life, god of death, the usual thing, mga ganon, god of smith sa mga dwarves, etc. You know the shit. So, but then, sa world na to, sa Aurora, it's called Material Plane, kung saan usually naglalaro yung mga tao. But then, hindi kayo located sa Material Plane. Yung setting ng game nyo, it would be on the realm of shadows. Yung pangalan nun is Shadowfell. So, sa Material Plane, what happens is, kung mamatay yung isang tao, lahat ng so, di ba maging spirit or whatsoever, lahat ng negativity during his life, parang matatransfer sa Shadowfell. So, dun yung location nyo ngayon, dun yung setting nyo. Dark, gloomy place, a lot of undead, a lot of dark creatures.
It's down.
It's the
Sorry.
it's the Shadow Realm basically. Yun yung setting ng game nyo.
Okay Tapos bakit kami tinawag sa quest?
You'll know. You'll know.
Okay.
You'll know sa session 1. So,
Mercenary ba kami?
Ha?
Mercenary ba kami?
Well, you can be a mercenary, you can be anything you ever wanted. You can just be a random guy na napunta doon. And malalaman mo kung bakit sa session 1.
Awesome.
But then before everything na yon, before everything, you need to make a character, which is gagawin natin ngayon. So, first thing to do with character creation is to pick your race. Swear to God. I swear to fucking God.
Let's go!
Let's go, boys!
Let's go.
Meron akong
own the
set.
world.
Meron akong set of playable races dito. Sinong gustong mauna? Carl, since nagawa mo na to, ikaw mauna.
Fuck my life. Okay. Saan?
Characters. Character creation sa playable races. I have humanoids.
Wala si Carl dito.
Wala
Meron
si Carlito, sorry.
creation,
Wait lang, naglalaga ako.
Ay, ito.
Playable races. Okay. Humanoids. Okay.
Live mo, Clyde. Ayun. Carl.
Live ko yung screen ko. Wait lang.
Saan pupunta ulit? Dito sa Aurora Home. World Anvil ba?
World Anvil. And then meron dyan character creation, introduction, kahit wag nyo nang basahin, pero kung basahin nyo, thank you so much, pinaghirapan ko yan. Playable races.
Okay.
Usually, some of this stuff na kita nyo na on several games, may mga variation sila. Aware naman siguro kayo, and well, if may hindi kayo familiar na race, you can ask me and I can explain further sa lore, sa mannerism, etc. etc. Arl, since ikaw yung veteran
Elf,
dito.
diba?
Elf.
Ano, ang dami.
Yep.
Elf. Then,
Bukod sa green screen, wala nang ibang may
High
skin
Elf.
dito.
Kapag yung cellphone ko, andun yung karakter.
Wala akong privilege. Centaur, let's go.
Centaur. May centaur dyan. Or, if may gusto kayong gamitin na character in mind, na like, if gusto yung maging insecto or something, I can make that happen within the rules of my world, if you want.
Humanoid
If you
lang
wish.
muna ako. Elf, ganun.
Half elf,
Ano yung karakter?
Normal na playthrough muna.
normal
High
playthrough.
Elf.
Okay,
Ako lang naman.
also, this game would last us like either four sessions tayo dito. So it's gonna be a bit fast-paced, unlike yung old campaigns ko. Probably 4 to 5 sessions yung mangyayari.
Sige.
It's a bit shorter. So if medyo bitin, that's parang gano'n.
Ba't iba na yung proficiency ng weapon ko?
Ayusin natin.
Okay
Kasi may
na.
madaming bagong rules ngayon sa ginawang PHB na 2024. So, babasahin ko pa yon, ayusin natin yan, makikita natin, ewan ko pa.
Pag nakapili na.
Sino bang may napili na or something?
To bold.
Yung may High Elf.
High elf.
High
Elf
Elf.
din ako eh.
Pwede
Ito,
naman.
may
I want some of that
So,
privilege.
The interaction between elves and half elves. So elves think of themselves highly because they are the quote-unquote pure blood ones, and they are at the top of the court sa fairyland or whatever. Pero Feywild yung tawag ng land nila. Meron silang mga courts doon, and high elf yung usually sila yung noble.
Okay.
Yeah. So half elves.
Wala ba dito yung parang furry ganun? Wala
Meron.
naman.
Meron sa Wild Blood. Gumawa talaga. Madaming I don't want to deny this, pero madaming furry people. And they are surprisingly the ones that are great in roleplay.
Okay.
In a good way. So anyways, so yung paningin ng high elf, especially sa half elves, sila yung parang outcast ng society nila as elven creatures. Parang why would an elf mate with another being and not with the pure-blooded ones? Parang ganun. So, and then yung mga tao, syempre, yung mga humans, medyo sketchy sila sa elves. If makita sila ng elves, kasi yun nga, parang let's not deny it, racism.
Oo nga naman.
Mag-human na lang ako.
So in this world, Aurora, merong country dyan, or empire rather, na yung pangalan is Gelirian Empire. This empire is reigned by humans. So puro human yung mga nakatira dyan, and they are, let's just say they hate other races so much.
Accurate.
Lore accurate.
Classic
Human behavior. Am I right?
Alam mo, nahihirapan na mag-create ng character.
Hindi ako makapili pero I'm leaning towards.
Pag
Dwarves.
ito pipiliin ko, Dragonborn.
Ooh,
So kasi
Dragonborn.
maging shifter para maging Anya Taylor, ganun. Tapos pipicture ako ng sarili ko, pipicturean ko, tapos babalik ako sa sarili ko. Tapos,
So, the lore of the Dragonborn race in my world setting, para silang na-outcast. And then, usually nakatira sila sa Deadlands, sa Badlands. And parang kaagaw nila sa territory yung orcs. So, Dragonborns and orcs are actually at war in this setting.
oh, I see.
They both hate each other. Diba instead yung orc against elves or dwarves, ganun? No. Wala silang relations dun sa mga yon except sa Dragonborns. Parang silang dalawa yung nag-aaway.
Puno ng racism tong world na to.
Whoa.
Itong Kobold.
Oh. Kobolds are draconians like the Dragonborns. Nanggaling din sila sa parang magpinsan sila. But kobolds are the goblins of the Dragonborns. So kung sa orcs may goblins, sa Dragonborn may kobolds. The humans may halflings.
Yung bold.
May ibang.
Sige, okay na, may napili na.
Okay.
Same.
So Carl, ano ka 'di ba? Half elf ka? Ay, sorry. High elf.
Hi, Elf.
Paano ko na nga
Kunwari napili ko na yung class, anong next na pipindutin ko?
Tapusin muna natin lahat. So, Kalo,
Sige.
may napili ka na?
Dwarf.
Dwarf! Hell yeah! Not a lot of dwarf players in my world. So,
Tribute kay Kurt to.
Jesus.
Carl, makakontakt mo ba si Jer? Or sasali ba siya o hindi?
Ay, wait. Try nyo nga i-chat.
Oo.
Chinat ko na.
Nag-rep-
Every time sabi ko,
Nag-scene ba siya?
Para
Hindi.
may...
chat niyo si Ma'am Erna.
Mag-isip ko yung anak niyo.
So,
Ma'am.
Angelo. Sa dwarf, they are... So, if you scroll down sa dwarf, meron siyang tatlong
yung Mountain, Hill, at Durgar.
So, hill dwarves are like the common folk, the ones na parang medyo okay na with the people, parang ganon, na nakikisalamuhan na sila with other races. Mountain dwarves have their own castles, their own noble blood, na meron talaga silang castle sa mountain or underground dwarven, anong tawag doon? Basta parang underground dwarven kingdom. And then Diergars are the ones na, alam niyo ba kung ano yung drow?
Oo,
Dark
yung
elves.
mga black na ano.
Ganon yung yung Diergar. They are on the Underdark. It's like a deeper part ng Aurora na, oh my god, hindi ko pa pwede sabihin yung lore na to.
Sige.
Basta, Diergar. Damn, So, may napili ka ng subrace or should I go back to you?
Actually, sige, sila muna. May nag-iisip ako ba kung Mountain Dwarf o Durgar eh.
Clyde, ikaw may napili ka na?
Can you explain Pixie?
Ooh, pixies, fairies, basically. They are creatures from the Feywild.
Okay, yun na.
Sige, yung Durgar
Okay,
na
yun
lang
na.
din ako para...
You are like, hindi kasing liit ni Tinkerbell, para kang 1 feet tall. So medyo may height ka naman na konti. Hindi ka ganoon kaliit.
Nasa tuhod ka na ni Kurt.
Oh, nasa tuhod ka na ni Kurt.
Jeez. Jeez, calm down, man.
So, sa Pixie, meron akong ginawang sub-races depending on what kind of wings you want. And itong mga races din na to. So, sa Butterfly, sa Feywild, merong 4 na court. Merong Spring, Summer, Autumn, and Winter courts. Butterflies are from the spring, Dragonflies are for the summer, Moth are for the fall, and then Beetle are for the winter. So on and so forth.
I'll choose the moth.
Moth, so autumn. So,
Lamp.
lamp. So butterflies are the ones na kasama ng mga high elf na high and mighty, parang ganon. So Dragonfly, which is a summer court, medyo Ano nangyari sa Summer Court? Nakalimutan ko na yung lore. Holy shit. Basta yung Moth sa Autumn Court, sila yung parang mga chill people, walang masyadong war, walang masyadong conflict. Wala silang yung society nila hindi parang yung highest member of society nila is parang chief, hindi siya chief, parang matron, parang ganon.
Okay.
So Moth,
Yeah.
Clyde. Moth picks. Eman, ikaw may napili ka na?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to become a tiefling.
A what?
Klase.
A tiefling.
Tiefling?
Yes.
Hell yeah, tiefling. So,
Force demonyo.
Yes, sir.
okay. Naglaro ka na rin 'di ba ng Baldur's Gate?
Yes.
Okay, so you kind of know the tieflings na ano. Ako talaga yung tieflings sa humanoids, right? There you go.
Oo,
Yes.
Para mga demonyo.
Mga demonyo.
So sa tiefling, gumawa ko ng ng sariling homebrew ko din na so sa world ko, yung hell ng world ko, hindi 9 layers, kundi 7 layers depending on the deadful sin na nagawa mo in your life. So there's lust, gluttony, greed, sloth, wrath, pride. Then yung infernal, yun yung parang classic tiefling
Siyempre,
lang
lust.
na
Siyempre, last agad yan.
Meron ka na bang infernal legacy in mind?
Yes, it's
Ano?
the last.
Jesus, okay. Tiefling lust. Hell yeah. Ikaw, Robert.
Pag sa
Robert, may napili ka na?
a Wild Blood.
Ooh, sa Wild Blood. Furry. Our furry friend.
Hindi, na lang ako, Dragonborn.
Dragonborn, let's go! So sa Dragonborn, there are colors and metallic sheen sa skin. So,
Metallic.
ooh, you're gonna be a metallic one.
Ooh.
What color are you? I'm sorry.
Blah, 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 blah.
Silver.
Silver Dragonborns are very noble and righteous. Parang they love the idea of peace and laws. Mga law. Lawful sila.
So wala yung Skyrim eh.
Fusroda. Dragonborn. So, hindi sila yung parang sa Skyrim na Dragonborn. Basically,
Hindi sila
parang-
sumisigaw.
sumisigaw rin. Meron silang breath weapon, tawag doon. Parang in-exhale na breath nila, and depending on what color or metallic sheen are you, yun yung in-exhale mo.
Oh.
Vapor?
Vapor.
Pag ito yung gem.
Jam. Tarik. So, Carl, Angela, may napili ka na sa Na sa race?
Yung Jogar ba yan?
Purgar?
Oo.
Okay.
Para mataas yung Ayan. Resilient. That's against illusions at charm at paralysis.
Okay. So, next up is classes. What class do you want to be?
Wizard.
Wizard, of course. Alam ko na yun sa'yo eh. Ginagawa mo si Free rin eh.
Sige. Sa akin ay... Siyempre, Warlock.
Ooh, okay. So, sa Warlock,
I want cantrips.
sa Warlock, may makikita ka dyan na otherworldly
Saan ko
patron.
makikita?
If you scroll down,
Wait, may Eldritch Bloods ba dito?
may Eldritch Blast dito.
Okay, yun ako.
Pero meron kang otherworldly patron na kailangang piliin.
Saan ko makikita yung mga class?
Sa classes.
Ito na.
Okay, tama na.
Yung base, no?
Yung base.
Check ko nga.
Who's this?
O si
Hello.
Jericho.
Sali ka na.
Sali ka na, D&D.
What game?
D&D.
Dungeon and Dragons is...
Okay, gila ako.
Ibang Jer ba to?
Notes.
Hindi yung isang Jer.
Ibang jar.
Ibang
Ay,
Jer yung
Jer.
dumating.
Ibang Jer,
Alter
pero
ego.
medyo...
Alter ego.
Medyo
Ha?
Medyo parehas.
Hindi, actually,
Same,
magpapaladin na lang
different,
muna ako.
but the same.
Siyempre, paladin na pala ako muna.
Paladin.
Yung normal na playthrough muna.
I mean,
Saka-
if you want to play a warlock, you can play a warlock.
Para may tank din.
Ay, ano mga ako dito? Blood Hunter.
So Blood Hunters, are you familiar of Witcher?
Oh.
Basically parang ganun sila. Either people na uminom ng tawag dun, Hunter's Bane yung tawag sa potion. So as a kid or like probably an adult ka na, uminom ka ng potion called Hunter's Bane and sumali ka on this sect of
May Outbreaker ba dito?
merong Outbreaker pala din dito.
Nice.
So sumali ka on this organization who wants to destroy evil, who wants to destroy monsters by being monsters themselves. You turn yourself into a mutant, and that's how you become a blood hunter. Geralt of Rivia. How about you, iba? May napili na kayong ano?
Yes, I'm going to become a bard.
Was that
Classic Eman.
Emman would be a bard? Okay.
Toss your coin to the wind.
Oh, may magba-blood hunter, may magba-bard. Witcher.
Pag ano, itong Ranger, ano?
So rangers, they are the ones na
Puro traps, puro animal talking.
you can say that, not just that, parang sila, may other rangers na parang sila yung protector of the realm. If that makes sense. Sila usually yung gumagawa ng nature check, nagtatrack sa inyo kung saan papunta yung terrain, parang ganito ganyan.
So technically nasa front.
Hindi rin naman front.
Parang
They
nag-scout.
use bows. Yeah, scout basically.
I'll be a ranger.
I'll pick si Ranger.
Ano na lang ako.
That's the
Blood
first
Hunter
narinig
na ako.
ko eh.
Ranger, okay. Si Clyde.
I don't know. I'm overwhelmed.
No.
Tanong mo,
Get out.
tanong
If
mo
it
si Frankie kung ano.
this sometimes makes it easier if you have a character in some fan fictions that you want to play as, or like parang ganon, or like character in mind lang na kung anong gusto kong gawin as a fantasy setting. Do I want to do magic? Do I want to do archery? Do I want to fight monsters using a big axe or a sword? That depends on you.
Okay, I'll change my mind. I'm gonna look further.
You can just tell me and I can somewhat help you on what you want to play as.
Okay. May nahanap na
Mm,
akong
iniisip ko lang kasi yung sa Pixie as a moth, parang nakasulat dito is you are proficient in the investigation skill.
Yep.
Di ba siya magmamatch sa
Magmamatch
ranger?
siya.
Oo,
Magmamatch siya.
mahalaga pa yung mga ganyan.
Yun
Magmamatch
nga,
siya sa
yun yung-
ranger, and at the same time magmamatch din siya sa rogue. You can be an inquisitor rogue that could be a detective or some sort
Pwede
of
naman
parang
tayo
ganun.
palit ng class anytime eh.
No, hindi. Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Hindi.
Ay, sayang. Alam natin.
Ito na yung
try
class.
natin yung ranger. Kasi
Ito na yung class and
yun
race nyo
yung-
for the whole campaign.
I see.
Wala kayong
Pwede
character
mag-respect
slots.
Sige, yun na sa akin. Pixie Ranger.
Pixie Ranger.
Let's
Gotcha.
figure it out.
Shit, andyan yung mga demonyo.
So meron kang
Okay,
as a
okay.
ranger, meron kang parang tinatarget na opponent or foe, parang tinatrack. For example, you're a ranger and yung main opponent mo is parang orcs, ganun. So you know a lot of things about orcs. Basically Batman, ginagawa mo.
Okay.
How about Robert? Meron ka in mind?
Yung Dragonborn na Blood Hunt.
Blood Hunter. Okay. Blood Hunter. Lock in na yung Blood Hunter? Yes, sige. So, what the fuck? Luigi, thank you for following. What the fuck? Anyways.
XD.
Anyways.
Okay lang. Sige.
So meron na kayong ranger, may bard, may wizard, and may blood hunter. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung kay Jer or ipupunta ba si Jer.
Hindi ko sure eh.
Yung isang jete ko muna. Isang gear muna.
Pero what is that? Anyways. Angelo, may napili ka na? Meron na kayong isang healer, I think. Yung bard yung healer.
Actually, healer din naman tong paladin eh.
Semi. Parang may...
healer tank naman siya na fighter.
healer tank.
Actually, ang iniisip ko sa subclass di ba may Oathbreaker?
Merong Oathbreaker paladin, yes.
Ano ba yung
Paladin sa
pinakamadali para
nag-break
maging
ng
Oathbreaker? Sige, Vengeance na lang. Out of Vengeance.
Ooh,
Ay, wait lang.
Vengeance.
Out of Devotion?
Devotion.
Yun nga eh. Pinag-iisipan ko pa.
Devotion, basically, you devote yourself into something and yun yung parang drive mo. Parang meron kang master ata or ano. If I recall correctly.
Ito, Order of the Profane Soul.
Sa Blood Hunter ba yan? So, Profane Soul. Ooh.
Pedran. Ano ba pinakamadali maging Oathbreaker dito? Sige, dito nila ako sa Devotion.
I mean, if you want to be an Oathbreaker agad, you can start as an Oathbreaker.
Pwede ba?
Yeah.
Akala ko kailangan ko pa pumatay ng NPC. Ganun kasi yung pagkaalam ko sa Oathbreaker. Kunwari kinuha ko sa Devotion, or yung sa Vengeance.
Tapos papatay ka ng
Alis
NPC.
na ipag-vengeance ko siya, oo. Yung iba naman, hindi ko gagawin yung quest. Yung iba naman, nire-reject ko yung tulong na kailangan. Ganun.
First NPC na nakita mo, sinaksak mo agad.
Pero, di Oathbreaker na pala agad ako.
Yeah, you can be an Oathbreaker directly. And that could align sa story na gagawin mo.
Akala ko naman, kailangan may condition pa para Tapos may dadating na paladin shit na sasabihin yung bad boy.
Was that again? Profane Soul. I believe these ones are sa let me just reread it. Oh! Profane Soul are parang sa Warlock. Nagka-master din kayo. Demon Sugar Daddy kayo.
What the fuck?
Na nagbigay sa inyo ng power and turned you into a blood hunter.
Yes. Ganda rin cleric dito. Pero, ano yun? Light domain yan. Of Tempest.
Mga cleric. So, right. I have to explain this sa mga hindi siguro nakakaalam. Yung difference ng mga classes, mga mage casters, mga ganun. So, there are 3 caster classes sa classes na to. So, there's Wizard, Warlock, and Sorcerer. Yung pinagkakaiba nila. Alam niyo ba yung pinagkakaiba nila?
Yung debuff, yung damage, yung spells.
No. In the story. So, wizards.
Sa story ko palalo.
Yeah. So, wizards are people that went to wizardry school, Harry Potter, blah blah blah.
Yun palang definition tinatanong mo. Yung iba inborn, ganon.
So wizards
Yung iba nag-aral talaga.
Either they
Yung
found
iba
a book.
nag-aral ng taon.
Yes, yun yung wizards. They found a book, they have a tutor, or they went to school to harness the magical capacities nila. Sorcerers are inborn. Either na pinanganak ka on an unaligned moon or the star shifted, blah blah blah, or probably yung father mo is a dragon or something like that. Pinanganak ka as a sorcerer who can harness magical capacities through innate or inborn magical means. Warlocks, you found a patron or a demon sugar daddy na if you do their bidding, they continue to support you with magical powers.
Got it.
Oh. OG,
Yes.
thank you for following.
Okay.
So, is there anything in mind na?
Okay na ako. Outbreaker na ako.
Oathbreaker, Paladin.
Itong Ghost Slayer sa Blood Hunter.
Ghost Layer. Okay. So, medyo may pagka-spectral ano ba? Maybe if I recall correctly, sila yung paladin na nag-devote themselves into paladin nag-devote themselves into slaying undead, slaying ghosts, spectral beings. Yep. They are the Phasmophobia people.
Are you here?
Are you here?
Maybe
Okay.
that's a sign.
Mag-start naman kayo as level 3 eh.
Okay. I'm going to become a Whispers Bard.
Whispers, Bard of Whispers. Ooh. Interesting. Secrets stuff. How about Clyde?
Yes,
Clyde,
sir.
Hello. Yeah.
merong subclass dyan sa sa Ranger. May napili ka na ba?
Okay. Wait lang. Hindi ko pa nakita.
Yung sa akin pala, Frankie, yung ano na lang, Profane
Ano na?
Soul.
Profane Soul. Okay. Okay. Yung wizard mo, Carl, ano? Tawag dito.
Subclass na
Subclass mo. Wizard mo is Evocation, I believe.
invocation. Yeah. Wait, let me double check my shit. Saan ulit yun? Yeah, I can't see it here. Wizard optional country formula. Nope. Wizard in
Yun sa
country.
plus.
Okay.
Yung subclass ko is evocation.
Okay, Clyde. Nakapili ka na?
Yung ba yung mga Death Explorer, Natural Explorer?
Wait
Okay.
lang. Let me help you with that. Sa classes, from classes, go to subclasses. And then, click mo yung Ranger.
Okay. Classes. Okay. Subclasses. Nasa ibang page ako. Sorry. Random. Horizon Walker Conclave.
So- Horizon Walkers. I have to explain it. So, Horizon Walkers are the Rangers who swore to protect the realms in a sense na entering and exiting the realms. Sila basically yung sila yung visa consulate ng realms. Basically, if for example, you're from the Seven Hells and pumunta ka sa material plane, pupuntahan mo sila and be like, "Oy, ba't ka dito? Hindi ka dapat nandito. May permit ka ba dyan para makapunta ka dito?"
What? I'm the regulator?
Yeah, basically para kang ganun.
TSA agent.
PSA agent ka. Do you have a permit for that, sir?
Okay.
So, do you want to be a Horizon Walker or ano? Or? Alright then.
Yeah.
Horizon Walker it is.
Grabe yung intel ko.
Okay then. Since nakagawa na kayo ng character through race and classes, now we have to ask you, what did you do before you become an adventurer in
Ito ba
adventuring?
yung background namin?
Ito na yung
May
background nyo.
backstory.
Ito na yung backstory.
Oh my
nyo.
god!
I'm ready.
So, who wants to go first?
Ako kasi pastor ako dati sa church namin. Until dumating yung 7-year-old na bata.
Okay.
Doon nasira yung buhay ko. From Paladin na devotion, naging outbreaker tuloy.
Okay. So, anong nangyari? Bakit nasira yung buhay mo nung dumating yung bata?
Hindi, joke lang. Kaya ako naging outbreaker na Paladin. Nasira yung out ko na sa lip na iprotektahan na provoke. Sige. Mamaya kayo muna. Maghahanap pa ako na.
Oh, shit.
Dapat
Yung
ako
tape.
pa yung mga abilities gano'n.
Lang yung tape sa mic ko nawala na ng ng stickiness. Wait, technical difficulties.
Mga ngayon,
Sorry.
yung Eldritch Blast STD pala, no?
One moment. Yung mic ko. Hello, rinig na ulit ako?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
So, sino gusto mo una sa background?
Ano lang ako, failed na mercenary lang.
Field na
Mercenary
mercenary.
lang talaga na paladin na naging greedy sa pera.
And then you broke your
Kaya,
oath
so,
after...
kala ko mapera sa tapos ayaw pala ng mga madre sa church kaya
What?
Oh.
Yo!
mentor na lang ako. Pero syempre dahil since birth, tinuturuan na ng mga tawag dito, mga Bible shits. Alam ko pa rin yung aking morals and
Yung meron ka pa ring morals
alam
kahit
mo
na.
pagdating. Pero yun nga lang, greedy nga lang sa lahat ng
Naging,
bagay. Saka,
so
ayun
greedy
na.
ka sa pera, ganun. Greedy ka, basically.
Tapos nadali nga ng bata.
Okay. Oo, paano?
Outbreaker. Sword to protect.
So, mercenary.
Uh,
Gotcha. How about ikaw, Carl?
Amen. Bakit nag-i-skip ka?
Kon. I've been training all my life sa realm ng mga high elf.
Aha.
But I got bored kasi wala nang bagong spell. So I went out and nag-adventure para
Ano to, ibang
ng
spell?
bagong spells.
Putang ina.
Yeah. That's all.
Tsaka ko na alamin yung yung background ng pero at least meron na akong background in mind. Who wants to go next?
Sige, ako na.
Emma, let's go.
Don't be shocked, ah.
Oh shit.
So, I was once a succubus that fell in love, but
Oh.
that was
Kailangan
illegal.
i-skip mo ba yan?
That was illegal. So, my lover was killed and I was exiled. And now,
Involved na bata yan, no?
Yo! Anyways.
Anyways, so lover was killed, I was exiled, and now I perform street music, wink wink, to have a profit. But I am struggling to make ends meet, so I sell my body for money and infect them with STDs and sell overpriced drugs for it.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Street performer. So you're gonna be a performer. Tawag dito. Nasa pleasure
So good
business.
na pan-mute si Marco.
Let's just brand that as performer. Okay.
Minute out.
Yung quote-unquote
Think of it as
performer
a lesbian stifling
Okay.
Good
with
lord.
STDs.
Oh, good lord. I'm gonna say that's not the worst one that I heard. I have worse ones.
One of the best one.
One of the best ones for sure, but not the worst one. Clyde, ikaw. You are a fairy, a pixie.
My brain.
Okay, skip
Okay.
muna natin si Clyde. Okay, meron na ba?
I
Or
can,
you need
wait
more
lang.
time. You need more time. Sige, si Robert na lang
Wait
muna.
Sige.
Alpo, saan
Yung,
ka na?
yung sa akin, parang nung bata ako, hinira nung mga orcs yung
Ooh.
town namin.
Yung
Okay.
bakol mo na.
Oo. Tapos yun,
Lore, accurate.
kaya doon ako yung napilitan uminom nung yung sa
Hunter's
blood.
Bane.
Lubricant.
Okay. So, napili ka uminom ng Hunter's Bane dahil na-ransack yung mo ng orcs. Okay, meron akong
Oo.
background for that. Okay.
Tapos
Okay, we have
yun,
the racist one.
nakahanap ako ng sabi, yung sugar daddy.
So, parang nag-devote ka onto something.
Na kalabanin yung mga orcs.
Oh, okay. So, doon mo nakita yung parang parang naghanap ka on something to help you defeat the orcs.
Hmm.
Okay. Sige. Ay, meron ako in mind. How about Clyde?
Okay,
Carl.
question. Can you explain briefly yung pixie? Parang general, general definition, tapos ano yung pinagkaiba ng moth sa ibang classes? Ano ba?
Okay. Carl. Matawagan mo ba si Jericho?
I'll try.
Yeah, try mo matawagan.
Nandito si Jericho.
So, Clyde,
Ang Jericho yun eh.
so pixies are a fey creature. They're from the Fae. They live amongst the elves sa society nila. They could be, you could say na sila yung parang halfling, parang tawag dito, hobbit, basically. Parang ganun sila,
Okay.
yung lifestyle nila.
Okay.
Especially sa moths. Sila yung pinaka laid back. Sila yung mga pinaka walang conflict towards others.
Okay. So, I have a story. So, yun nga, di ba? Very peaceful. Kami, very peaceful. So, when I was a kid, I saw a portal open.
Oh.
So, parang somebody not from our dimension came in and massacred my family.
Jesus
And
Christ.
What I know is, my family is somewhat of a higher or respected on the pixie side or the moth side.
Uh-huh.
So since we are laid back, we prioritize peace, not war. I
Uh-huh.
became a ranger and a ranger in the class of Horizon Walker
Okay.
because I want to maintain peace among the realms because that's what
Ooh.
I was taught when I was a child. But
Okay.
now I'm doing that with the side quest that I'm looking for whoever or
Whatever killed.
kung saan nang galing yung pumatay sa family.
Shit. Okay. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
God damn, that's
Yun
fire
na to.
actually. That's fire.
Yeah. Revenge.
Ano, Carl?
Natawa, sabi niya mag-join na siya.
So, focus muna tayo kay Jericho afterwards.
Okay. I-share ko na lang sa kanya yung lore ko mamaya.
Oh my god.
Jericho niya with a Y, right?
Jericho with an I.
I.
Ay, with a Y pala.
With a Y.
Nandito si Ike.
Dito pala yung I.
Why did you forget Jericho? Now, yung mga natapos na, I would want you to go to Roll20, yung binigay ko na link. And I think
Okay.
kailangan nyo yung email, pero wala natang verification, di ko sure. Basta pasok na lang kayo, tapos meron ata dyan nakalagay na run game or something, or join game. Di ko alam kung ano ngayon
Ayan.
bago na eh.
Launch.
Launch
Oh,
game.
launch game.
Oo.
Echoes of the Fallen.
Echoes of the Fallen.
Call into the Mist.
Wait lang,
Yo.
saan na yun? Roll,
Ano,
roll.20.net, no?
nagano na ako.
Ayun.
GoPro today.
Lunch game?
Launch game lang. Oh, what happened to my shit? There we fucking go.
Nawala na yung party ko.
Categories.
Yo. Chill. So, settings muna tayo. Settings, then punta kayo sa ano, para mas okay sa inyo. Dito. Sa personalization display, ando naman ata. And then, saan yun? Token maker position, hindi yan yun. Ayun. One moment.
Yung mga logo.
Sa audio and video ata.
Oh shit, wait.
Audio and
May
video,
dark mode
punta
pala
kayo
dito.
sa chat tech and then gawin nyo lang none. Lahat gawin yung none. Pati sa video display.
What the fuck are you talking about? Nasa
Sa settings,
Ano?
upper
Audio.
right, my settings, and then audio and video.
Oh.
Yung chat tech, gawin yung none.
Kasi nawala ako.
Display.
wala naman.
Anong chat?
Wait lang.
Meron lang dito player video
Oh.
avatar size ganun.
Oh, player video avatar
Audio-
size.
audio
Gawin
and
yung
video.
gawin yung names only.
Oh.
Para mas madali
Sa akin
sa'yo.
wala.
Wala na yung ganun. What do you mean?
Ay, okay, never mind. Anong
Yeah.
names only?
Names only. Para madali sa inyo. Tapos yung sa audio video
Top on
chat,
button.
gawin yung none.
Slider
Zero.
siya. Ay, 0.
Tapos kung gusto niyo pumunta sa personalization and display, yung show zoom interface, gawin yung hindi yan yun. Yung tupan something.
Live mo nga, Carl. Medyo dyslexic ako eh.
Meron dito character pop out windows alphabetically sort.
Well,
Wag niyo lang galawin yun. Okay na yan. Sa ano
yung
pala?
sa audio is eto.
Sa audio. Yun lang naman yung sa audio, tapos sa
Audio,
video display.
Sa visual ba
Audio
tayo?
display.
Wait lang, nalik ako.
Sa
Sa settings, tapos
Audio and
audio,
video.
Anong
audio,
gagawin?
video, names
Sa
only.
sa video
Kasi
display,
kung gagawin
names
mong
only.
ganyan, papakita tong mga logo natin.
Oo.
Pag names only lang. Mas hindi mahapdi sa mata or what.
Kita mo yung frere na ano.
Tapos sa audio and
kita
video,
yung
kung
clear
meron
na
sa inyo,
large menu.
yung chat tech, gawin yung none.
Nakakon sa amin yung slider.
Tignan mo to, Carl. Bago to. Bagong bullshit nung Tignan mo to. Nakita mo yun?
Where?
Roar.
Oh, okay.
Di ba? Walang ganyan noon sa atin.
Wow!
Oo, lang ganyan nung
Oh.
nasa nandito ako ng gamit nung Roll20 na to.
Turo-turo na lang sa atin noon eh.
Dito tayo.
So,
Yung ping dito. Ping ay bang.
long press para mag-ping. Oh shit.
You should have told us that
Magic.
piping na kami ng magpiping.
Sige lang.
Para mag-ping?
Push.
Long press sa
Long
mapa.
press.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
No.
orange ako. Blue na ako.
So, what I want you to do,
And
si Carl muna. Hindi, may stats ka na, Carl, di ba? Or gusto mo ba ulitin?
No, may kung akong stats.
May stats ka na. Kunin ko na lang mamaya
Pero
sa'yo.
wala.
No? Wala pang ano.
Gano'n na siya lahat.
Okay. Si Kalo na lang. Sige. So, yung gagawin natin
Saan ko
ngayon,
makikita yung stats?
hindi, nagawa na kasi ni Carl yung character na yan long time ago. Gusto niya daw gamitin. So, si
Bakit
Carlo-
gumamit siya na save data?
Oo.
Ah.
Kasi Kalo muna. So, yung gagawin mo is sa chat,
Mo na lang kalo.
/R space
Ano?
D6
Ano yung
ata?
chat? Kita ko na.
Kita.
/R.
So, gagawa ka
Tapos,
slash R space slash R space D6. Slash R space D6.
Mandal ko na.
Hindi, 3D6 pala. Fuck. I'm so rusty. Slash R space 3D6. Tapos, enter mo lang. Okay, 9.
7.
Is that high?
No. Pero kailangan mo yan gawin 5 more times. 5 more times. Kasi yan yung stats mo.
Ang
Oh.
pangit.
Okay. Wait. So, yung sa 8, hindi natin kakount yun yung first na 1 kasi madaming 1. Reroll 2d6. Slash R 2d6.
Slash, paano slash
R space
2d6 naman?
2d6. Kasi kung may 1 ka sa roll mo, i-reroll mo yan. Ayun. So that's
Oo.
10
Ayun,
plus
sakto.
6. Ayun, may 16 ka. May
Okay.
16, 8, 15. Dalawa pa. 3d6. Ang dalawa. Moment, kailangan ko yan.
3d6. 10 na naman.
Not bad. 10 is like the base na base table.
Sige. Ano pa kailangan ko?
10. Okay. One moment, may sisend ako. Ano yun? Sa roll sa... Ayun. So, ngayon, kailangan mong isend sa akin to. So, pipili ka kung saan mo ilalagay dyan yung mga number na yan in no particular order. Strength, Dexterity, Constitution, Intelligence, Wisdom. Gets mo naman, Charisma. Gets mo naman na siguro yan no, kasi naglaro ka ng Baldur's Gate. Pero sa mga hindi pa nakaano,
Palit-palit. Kaya ako hold up.
so sa mga hindi pa naka-experience nito, i-explain ko in the tomato method. So strength is the ability to crush a tomato using your hand. So malakas ka. Dexterity is the ability to dodge if babatuin ka ng tomato. Constitution is the ability to eat a rotten tomato and hindi sasakit yan mo. Sa Constitution din, dyan nagbe-base yung HP mo, HP. Yung Intelligence is knowing that the tomato is a fruit. Wisdom is knowing that you don't put tomato in fruit salad. And Charisma is actually convincing someone na bilhin yung tomato base na fruit salad mo.
Okay.
Ano kaya ako na salad?
Ano hindi kami kumakain ng gulay?
Okay na, may stats ako. Saan ko i-send yun?
PM mo lang sa akin. Sino next? Kahit
Ito
sa
nga,
Discord na. Ayun. Pwede rin naman.
Sige, Discord ako nga. Tama.
Sino next? Who wants to go next?
On na.
Slash R space 3d6. 14.
Okay.
Ooh, 14.
14. Okay.
Good. 10. Not bad. Oo, may 1. I-roll mo yung 1. Slash R space
Okay.
D6.
May 1 din ako kanina.
Oh, may 1 ka din
Ay,
kanina? Wala na. So 2. So that's 11, right?
11. Yes.
Next.
May
Oh,
one.
reroll mo lang yung 1. So that would be 12, right?
12. Yes. So, ilan pa? 1,
Last one.
2, okay, one more.
9. Okay. Now, you have to put it here and then send it to me on Discord.
Dito na lang sa sa channel.
Oh, sa channel,
Sa
pwede rin.
channel na lang.
Pwede rin. Sino next? Clyde.
Let's go.
Slash R space 3d6. Ooh, reroll mo yung 1. Slash R space d6. So that's 6, 7, 8, 11. Next, 3d6 ulit. 12, okay.
Ah. Well,
O, reroll mo yung 1. That's 9. Wow!
Oh, sorry.
15. Right? Or no? Mali.
15.
15.
Ilan ba?
Tatlo pa. 3d6 sa tatlo. Okay. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Solid start. Now you have to put it there. Sa channel na lang na D&D's Nuts. Robert! Si Jer nga yasan na.
Yung ko din.
Ano is slash R 3d6?
Yeah, /R space 3d6. Reroll mo yung 1. Tapos,
D6.
so that's 8. Okay. Next. Reroll mo yung 1. That's a good that's a better number. 12, 15, okay. Next. Okay, 11.
Next.
Next. Roll mo yung 1. So that's 12.
Meron pa ba?
Dalawa pa. $14, good. Roll 1. Ooh, nice. Nabawi. 11. Okay. Okay. So,
Card. Test your luck.
Tapos na ako. Ayan yung last na sinerte ako sa buhay.
Intelligence.
isend nyo na lang.
Most of us sent.
Wait lang. Ako na yung last. Si
Ah.
Jern eh.
Jericho! Aso na si Jericho?
Ano na siya? Chinat ko na. Ay, tinawagan ko na nga. Ay.
Tawagan mo na ulit.
sabi,
Tawagan mo ulit.
Kasali siya.
Ba siya?
yun naman.
Umuul siya kanina eh. Tapos yun.
Bruh. Meron ba akong music na bot dito na pwede gamitin? Ever?
Why are you guys so freaky?
Meron. Ano title lang? Pancake.
Pancake. Sige. Tingnan ko kung maghanap ako ng music na pwede. Para maset natin yung mood if naglalaro na tayo. Or nag-YouTube lang ako eh.
Kung matapos natin to ngayon, edi i-start na natin.
Wala pa naman si Jericho. Hindi, madami pa akong kailangang i-input sa stats niyo kasi gagawa pa ako ng character na i-input ko pa lahat. Tapos, towards the week, tatanungin ko kayo, i-PPM ko kayo, tatanungin ko kayo kung may pipiliin pa kayo eh. May pipiliin pa kayo na isa-send ko. Ika-compile ko na lang lahat tapos i-personally send ko sa inyo. Yung sa'yo, Carl, okay naman na kasi titignan ko na lang yung details ng ng sa'yo.
Hmm.
So for now,
D&D's.
D&D's not.
D&D's nuts. Congregation ng mga freaky people here.
time to lock in.
So, tingnan ko. I-review ko. Okay, charisma. Tama. Kaso si Jericho.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, Clyde as a wizard. Ay, no, sorry. Clyde as a ranger, you either want your dexterity or strength na at least malagyan. Mostly dexterity mo kasi doon doon nag-base yung damage mo. Pero ikaw din kung gusto mo.
No, I will follow your
Recommendations.
Dragonborn.
Born ano ba yung...
Blood Hunter, you would want strength to be your highest din eh. Strength and charisma. Kasi yung charisma mo yung kailangan mo for... Ay, hindi, constitution pala. Strength and constitution. Sorry.
Sige.
Man, tama naman na yun sa kanya. Yeah,
Sa
tama.
kanya
9 intelligence.
Yes, I am intelligent for selling drugs to people with STDs.
Yung charisma eh, no, naka-14. What the fuck?
Charisma
I'm a
9,
good
strength
salesman,
9.
man.
Sana pang wizard talaga yung ano ni Carlo. Charisma 9, strength 9.
Ano?
Classic. Isang pitik.
Sa akin.
Sige. So far,
Ano yung kay Clyde? Balance?
I mean,
Ganda
pwede
naman
ko
ang roll ni Clyde.
Oo din. Where are you, Jer?
Jericho na lang. For the meantime, pwede ko kayong gawan ng token. Maglakad-lakad muna kayo. Double M ba yung kay Eman or single lang?
Oo.
Single Eman.
Oo. Double ba o single? Oo.
Ano to?
Double or single?
Double letter pero single.
Married.
Hey.
Asan ako?
Hindi. Ginagawan ko pa ng tokens.
Uy, sino yun?
Ginagawan ko pa kayo ng tokens. Ito yung mga magiging tokens nyo habang naglalaro tayo. Medyo lag. Bakit medyo lag?
Gano'n natin RP.
Pero,
Sino yung
Oh!
nag-skill nito? Oh my god, na-figure out
Okay.
ko. Ano bang sila?
no! No! No!
Nice.
No!
Na-figure
Wala na,
out
nagsimula
yun,
na.
ano bang fun.
Nagsimula na. Puta. Oh, yo! Yo! Pwede pa kay Alice yan. In-stream tayo po, in-stream tayo. Pwede pa kay Alice. Ayun.
Ano tayo?
How the fuck do I do that again?
Paano mag-drawing? Or nakikita niyo kung sino nagdo-drawing?
Nakikita ko sino nagdo-drawing.
Never mind.
Log D.
Si Clyde to, sigurado.
Logbet. Then si Carl, si Emma, si Angelo, si Clyde, si Robert. So, now is the hardest part sa character creation. Name.
Meron ako HL.
Meron na ako.
Sige. I-type niyo yung pangalan niyo or sabihin niyo tapos i-type niyo na rin sa sa Discord.
Edit lang namin dito.
Edit niyo lang.
Character. Edit.
Oh shit, ano bang gusto kong ipangalan dito?
Refriend.
What's up?
Everyone.
Saan na si ChatGPT?
Huwag na, Kyle na.
Kael.
Si Kal-El.
Lalaki. Lalaki na free rin.
Si Kal-El. Si Superman.
No-control nyo ba yung token nyo? Hindi.
paano ba i-control.
Okay. Okay, gets ko na.
Andito na sa akin yung name at
Anong kailangan? Name to.
Name. Ba't naglalag? Habang naghihintay kay Jericho, slowly ko muna. Gawin yung talk. Napaka-scuff nung first campaign. Putang ina.
Jesus Christ.
Nagtotoo.
dapat wala tayong freedom eh.
Yung... Okay. Ay, putik.
Ano yun?
Wait ang pangalan mo, pre.
Nagsinsinag ba dito? Or history?
Meron, may history dito.
Nakikita niyo yung gumagawa ng mga actor.
Oo.
Oh.
So,
Report nyo na lang. Report nyo na lang.
try nyo kung kaya nyong gumalaw.
Paano?
Click and
gumagalaw
drag.
ako.
Click and drag and then pagalawin niya. Parang ganun. Ayun. So, nagagalaw niya yung
Paano
token niyo.
Okay. Paano
Oh.
mag-drawing?
Ha?
Paano
Ano
mag-drawing?
kayo yung nagdo-drawing?
Hindi. Matagal ko nang limot tong site na to.
Paano ba?
Kilala ko si Carl. Si Carl yung nagdodrawing.
Si Carl yun, kanina ka pa nagdo-drawing ng edits eh.
Hell no.
Also,
Wala naman yan,
Wala
no?
pa nga yung edit niya eh. Buga, oh.
Funky.
Ang king pa yun eh.
Alam ko si
also,
Carl yun.
ikaw, Clyde, nagagalaw mo yung token mo?
Wait lang. I haven't tried. Paano?
I-click and
Ah.
drag. Dito.
Oh, wait lang. Sorry. Yeah?
Okay, good,
Oh.
good. That means nagagalaw niyo yung token niyo.
Okay. O, tama na yung pangalan ko.
So, combat tutorial.
Ba't nadadrag ko? May nagdadrag ng ibang punk.
Hindi mo pwede.
Ay, hindi nyo
i-drop
pa
yun.
magagawa yung combat
Iba.
tutorial kasi wala pang Sige, tsaka na yung combat tutorial. Pero, so basically, on movement na lang. So from kung saan na square kayo at the moment, each square counts as 5 feet. Yung usual movement speed nyo during combat is 30 feet unless specified na mabilis kayong tumakbo or mabagal kayong tumakbo. As a fairy, probably 10 feet yung walking speed mo, pero pwede kang lumipad and go towards that feet kung hanggang ilan yung pwedeng liparin.
Ay, mabilis ako tumakbo.
Hindi ko pa nalagay yung nyo, ilalagay ko on the next campaign, nakaayos na lahat. Nakalagay na lahat and pwede nang laruin.
Sige.
But for now, this would be it unless dumating si Jericho.
Sinasabi niya, akala niya katanim na daw tayo. Eh sabi ko, kulang ng isa dahil sa kanya.
Oh. So, ano sabi niya?
Ewan ko, hindi ko nag-reply.
Hindi sa may lima lang.
Whoa! I'm not gonna look at that, buddy. You know what? Ibahin ko lang yung screen. Ayan, yun na lang yung screen. Diyan kayo. So, dito magsisimula yung campaign.
Okay, okay.
So, dito magsimula yung campaign nyo. And parang meron na ba kayong ideas kung anong mangyayari sa campaign? Judging on the looks, Judging on the looks
Mukhang-
of,
Iaalay tayo
the map.
We respond. Mukhang we respond.
Who knows?
Isekai.
Ano yan?
Nangangamoy, nangangamoy ban yung
Ano
ko,
ba,
yung account ko,
Okay, okay. Dito.
Makikita mo ba yung pangalan ng token?
Oo, makikita.
Nakikita ko yung pangalan.
Hindi yung sa inyo. Sa iba. Wala naman.
Oh, okay. That has to be kailangan nyo makita as if ganito. Ayan. Kay Carl. Nakikita nyo na kay Carl? Oh, pero hindi ko pa nilagay ngayon kasi kasi wala pa eh. Hindi pa naayos masyado yung token niya. I-input ko pa lahat 'yan, gagawin ko lahat, ilalagay ko lahat. And then tatanungin ko kayo about stuff more sa character nyo, sa stats, and well, pwede ko kayong tanungin ngayon, anong weapon na gusto yung gamitin?
May preset ba?
Merong preset pero hindi ako sa rules eh. Hindi ako masyadong sumusunod sa rules ng Wizards of the Coast and pwede nyo gamitin kung gusto nyo. Siyempre baril, walang baril. Wala pa tayo sa era ng baril.
Odin.
Sa akin, hunting horn.
Hunting.
Long lang sa akin. Ano lang sa akin?
Charge blade, charge blade. Ano pa?
Great sword lang.
Ooh. Sige, sasendan ko kayo about sa character. And marami pa kasi level 3 na kayo. You start at level 3. And towards the campaign, I think magle-level kayo twice towards the campaign. So, yung leveling system ko on my campaigns is hindi experience points. Yung leveling system ko is milestone points. Kung may na-reach na kayo na milestone na dinidim ko na na okay, pwede na kayo mag-level on the next session. Tsaka kayo i-level.
Okay.
Sabihin na ba namin yung mga weapon?
Pwede. Pwede nyo sabihin kung gusto nyo. Kung may request kayo, meron yung last time sa akin nag-request na gusto nyo daw parang yung weapon ni Akali, pinagbigyan ko. And ginawan ko ng rules for that. So kung meron kayo. Ha?
Ako yung weapon ni Dragon Knight sa Dota 2.
Ang weapon ni Dragon Knight sa Dota 2. Hindi ako nag-Dota 2 eh.
It's a short sword.
Dragon Blood.
Ay, hindi syempre basic weapon pa rin. Walang magical properties or whatever.
Hindi, sword yun, pero yun yung pangalan.
Short sword, sige. I mean, you can make it as a long sword, pero pwede ka nating lagyan ng
Or na lang. Glaive na lang.
Glaive, pwedeng glaive. So, meron kang choice na magka 100 weapon or 200 weapon. 200 weapon deals more damage, pero sinasacrifice mo yung mo doon. Yung defense mo. Unless meron ka no mastery, which is i-discuss ko pa personally sa inyo kung meron sa class niyo yun.
Sige.
Jericho,
Sa
asan
akin,
na?
violin.
Violin.
Violin yung
That-
violin pero may sword sa loob.
That could work. Yeah, that could work. Merong mga ganun.
Okay.
Meron akong player noon na hammer yung weapon niya, pero pwedeng gamitin as a drum. Bard din siya.
Basically a hunting horn.
Basically hunting horn. Fuck, you're right. May dickbat na dyan. Wala pa rin si Jericho. Tapos
Wala
na
pa din. Busy yata. Lalaro ng Silent Hill.
Puta. Pero Kung ayaw niya, that means merong open na slot. Tanungin niyo na lang, tatanungin na lang natin kung ayaw niya or something.
Sige.
So, hindi ko na lang siya masasali sa character creation ngayon. Pero, gagawan ko siya ng kung sino man yung gusto sumali.
Ako, sali ako.
Nag-reply lang siya out Nani.
Sino?
Oh,
Sali ako.
Si JR. Kaka-reply niya lang.
Ano sabi niya? Nani.
Nani.
Sabihin mo, sali na siya para makagawa na siya ng character.
O, para makagawa siyang character. Character creation ngayon.
Parang pag next, doon na maglalaro.
Ah.
Character creation.
Pero maganda. Maganda yung stories nyo.
You let them cook.
You let them cook, but so, combat system ng D&D is turn-based. Sa stats nyo, soon, i-explain ko din, meron diyang tinatawag na initiative. Ganon kayo kabilis mag-act as a player or like an adventurer. So, i-click nyo initiative, magro-roll yun ng dice, and then dun ma-determine kung kaninong turn mo una. Nasa Baldur's Gate din yun, di ba? Yeah.
Yes.
The heck happened to the board?
Full of thick butts.
Big bucks and the bonus.
No. Sige, lagyan ko kayo ng ganito. Also, another thing, hindi nyo pwedeng panoorin yung campaign.
Parang panoorin.
Like, panoorin
Yes,
sa stream ko. Kasi,
Bakit?
nasa DM screen ako, nasa DM, hindi nyo pwede makita.
Spoiler.
Kasi may mga secrets doon na, yan, ibibigay ko sa inyo.
Block mo na kami sa Facebook.
Yan. Gusto yung kalabanin niya?
Oh shit.
Ang lawa ng
Dragon
Among Us
Beast.
yan.
Oh shit. It's dragon meat, pre. Kill it.
Ayun.
So we can eat it.
Nandito na siya.
Yun.
Ayun,
Sino?
Chair.
Ayos, Jer.
Ayun ako ng dragon.
Ayun, Jer! Hello.
Bilis mo bago ma-overtake tayo ng mga Among Us.
Kaya nga, dami ng Among Us sa board.
Uy, kinain ako ng dragon.
It's either mo kung ma-overtake ay baligtas mo kami sa Among.
Pinapatay na kami ng dragon dito kanina ka pa wala.
Oh, dragon, pre.
Sinasama na niya yung
Nakain ako. Ay,
nawala.
Yan.
Yo.
Yan. Gusto nyo.
Yan na.
Uy, that looks like someone I can seduce.
Gago Calamares.
Parang yan yung...
That fucker looks familiar to me.
Wait, parang nalagyan lang. Parang
Hindi ito na-meet Hindi mo ito na-meet, Carl eh. Hindi mo yan na-meet eh. Pero meron
No.
yan sa Wait, meron ba ako nun? Wait lang, hanapin ko. Baka meron. Token nun. Nandito ba si Jer? Kung dito ka, Jer, magparamdam ka.
Hey.
Kilawin mo yung baso, Jer.
Hello po, Jer.
Hello, Jer.
Ano?
Ma'am?
Ayun, hanap ko. Ayan, kilala mo yan, Carl.
Fuck you.
Kilala mo yan? Kilala mo to?
One.
Hey.
Mga luma namin karak.
One of the best boys.
Kamusta na yan ngayon? Sa
Ewan ko.
story.
Ewan ko din. I too would want to know kung kamusta na yung mga yun sa story.
Oh my
Eh.
lord.
Nag-retcon ako. Madami akong i-retcon. Ito, Carl, naalala mo to.
Among Us.
Naalala mo yan.
Ay.
Pum 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 pum.
Wala na, Rard. You lost it.
Kaya sige. Hindi yan yung first ko.
Masaya pala
Jer.
mag-D&D.
Tulong, Jer.
Ganito pala mag-D&D.
Ang dami ko natututunan. Promise.
Bumuga na po yung Among Us.
Popost ko yan. Yan. Hindi naman nagsasalita si Jericho.
Buti anonymous yun ang nagda-drawing mo.
Jer?
Kaya siya eh.
Jer? Andiyan ka ba, Jer?
Hey!
Hello.
Ayun!
Ayun si Jer.
Ayun, Jer. Hello. So, interested ka ba mag D&D?
I guess.
Let's go! So, anyways,
Kasi bago tayo ma-overtake.
D&D.
meron tayong meron tayong bagong channel sa Discord na D&D's Nuts. Scroll up mo na lang, meron diyan link na na character creation na link. Nakikita mo ba? Hello?
Yes.
So, i-click mo yan sa World Anvil. Tell me if nasa World Anvil ka na.
Yes.
Okay, so on character, meron diyang folder na character creation. Click mo lang yon. So the first thing you have to do is to pick your race, a playable race. So sa playable races, i-click mo yan.
Hehe, race.
I-click mo yan. And then pipili ka kung what kind of race you want to play. You want to be a humanoid, you want to be a furry, you want to be green-skinned, a giantkin, a fae, Dracoblood, or other. Or if you have something in mind that you want to play, I can try to make it. Hindi tayo limited dito ng mga andyan lang.
Carl, bakit ka nagsusuper saiyan, Carl? Wait.
Ang hirap pala mag-D&D.
Time to become a centaur.
Masaya ba?
Ha?
Dami ko na nagagawa.
May Illuminati dito sa baba. Ang dami mo nagagawa.
Oo. As, to yung incantation.
Oo.
Dami ko nang nasasamo, no?
Ililista ko.
Oh my God.
Arr.
They drank the Amogus potion, sabi ni Luigi.
Among Us.
Oh wait.
Now let's
Ano?
draw the swastika.
No! So Jer, may napili ka na ba? Or are you eyeing something? Or do you want something, do you have something na hindi mo alam kung ano yon and pwede ko ma-explain sa'yo?
I think nakabili na ako.
Oh, what is it?
Wait lang. Tama ba ito?
Super Saiyan.
Super sad.
Nagdodrawing ako ng bintana, Rard. Tignan mo.
Okay.
No. Nasa ibang screen. Ayoko buksan yung screen na yan.
Ang ganda nga. Gagaya na ba yun?
Madi-demonetize ako.
Okay. Oh. Ay, mga ano.
Ay,
Dota 2 players.
mga noob.
So if you want to know kung ano yung mga classes na nila, meron silang Wizard, Blood Hunter, which is parang Witcher na class. They have a Paladin, a Bard, and ano yung isa? Ranger. They have a Ranger.
Tayo, kalo gawa ka kaya ng game channel dito.
Gagawa siguro ng
Ano
game
yan?
channel.
Meron na.
Hindi, game 1.
Nice.
O dito na tayo sa game 1.
Yung
Doon na tayo sa game
audio.
1.
Ano yun?
Okay na
Ay,
yun.
para sa audio?
Yeah.
Sige, wait lang.
May Odin.
Ano, Jeremy, napili ka na ba?
Yes.
What would it be?
Kenku ba to?
Kenku. So, interesting thing about sa Kenku is you cannot speak. You can only mimic words that you have heard on your lifetime.
Ay, perfect.
No.
But the thing
Newfoundland.
the thing about it is you can the curse of the Kenku, you can never have an imagination. You can never have creativity. But you are a master artisan. Anything na nakita mo at naturo sa'yo, pwede mong i-copy. For example, nakakita ka ng sulat and nakikita mong sinusulat niya yun, pwede mong makopy yung way na pagsusulat niya. So, any penmanship, pwede mong makopy as long as nakita mo na sinusulat niya yun.
May question ako.
Yes?
Naintindi
Na ano?
agad.
Ha?
Kunyari, di ba may na-copy siyang type of writing ganun.
Oo.
Maiintindihan niya ba agad?
Oh, maintindihan niya, pero hindi niya masasabi.
Din.
And of course, if it's a different language na hindi niya naiintindihan, of course hindi niya maintindihan. Unless tinuro sa kanya yung language na yun. So, Kenku? Lock in na ba yung Kenku?
Wait lang. Difficult yung isa pala dito.
Kenku is interesting. I only have one Kenku player. And super interesting na interaction niya.
Wait lang. Tingnan ko lang to.
Ang dami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So yung lore accurate free rin. Ito yung mana niya.
Wait lang, tignan ko yung mga names niya.
Okay na.
Hindi ko pa nakita. Hakdog. Preyral Magus. Wow, okay. Anya Tate. Virilith. Wow, Plane Seeker.
Ang magpapalit ng pangalan.
I-edit mo lang yung con mo.
Ilagay mo lang yung name mo.
Okay na yun. Yes.
Kenku, lock in na?
Mm-hmm.
Very well then.
Rogue.
Ooh, Kenku Rogue. Okay. So, magi-start tayo as level 3. Kenku Rogue, meron diyang subclasses sa classes na folder. Pipili ka dyan ng isa, and if may nakikita kang something pwede mong tanungin sa akin, pwede kong i-explain sa'yo further kung anong ginagawa nung class na yon or nung subclass na yon for the rogue.
Subclass.
Ano yung tsura ni Bill Cipher?
Wait lang.
Grabe yung Dark Aura ni ko.
Hindi niya aura. Normal lang.
Parang ayokong tignan ko ano na nangyayari dyan ah.
Just look, man. It's doing well, doing great.
God. Oh God. Jesus Christ. So, may naano ka na ba, Jer?
Either inquisitive or mind.
Or mastermind?
Oh.
So you have to pick one. Inquisitive ones are like the detective type na rogue. You can see other clues that most people na ano lang ng ibang tao. Na-ignore ng ibang tao. Mastermind are... Wait, ano nga yung mastermind? PM 101. Oh, tactics. So parang meron ata dyan yung parang binabuff mo din yung teammates mo by telling them you are basically a tactician. TFT.
Nagiging tactician ako.
Sa TFT. Meron akong magandang story. Maganda yung story nyo, actually. One of the good ones, I can say. Pero...
STV din.
Wait, nagdodrawing ako ng meme.
In-welding ko nga eh.
So, what do you want to pick, Jer? Tactician or detective?
Inspector.
Inquisitive na lang.
Very well then. Inquisitor Rogue. So now, you have to tell me about your background. As a Kenku, paano ka naging adventurer? Why did you take the mantle of being a rogue? Why did you choose to become sneaky rather than fighting head on? Why did you do this job? Why did you choose this as your profession? And before mo pinili to, ano yung life mo noon?
I-ano ko lang.
Background
Summarize.
You don't have to. You
Okay.
just have to give me the vague idea of it. Excuse me. Anyways,
Okay. So basically,
there we go.
ano ako, I served a powerful wizard.
Oh, okay.
And since I can't speak, hindi niya ako matulad ng any magic. So he taught me yung mga tools of trade niya, ganun.
Okay.
And how to since also yung build is not for fighting, he also taught me to take advantage of other ways.
The shadow.
So yes, so he taught me how to become a rogue in a sense. And then suddenly nawala siya. He vanished from either basta nawala siya from kung saan kami naka-base, and now trying to find clues on where he vanished to. Yung only trace ko is that may naiwan na ano ba, like keepsake.
Ooh.
For now. Basta may iniwan siyang item. Pero
Sa'yo.
baka sa box siya. Pero hindi ko
Anong-
pa siya pwedeng buksan.
Hindi mo alam kung ano nasa loob ng box.
Yes. Kasi iniwan niya.
Interesting. Okay.
Ayun.
So, do you give me consent to decide kung anong nasa loob ng box or ikaw yung magde-decide?
Hehe,
Ay,
Yeah.
Anong consent? Ilabas mo.
Oh.
Wad.
ikaw na siyempre.
Ako
I
na.
give you the freedom.
Para Pandora's box.
Okay. Interesting. Oh, okay. I have something. I have something in mind.
Ako din. Pero alam ko magkaiba tayo iniisip.
Very nice background. Very nice background.
Baka may Among Us doon sa loob ng box.
Kaya pala ganito yung board natin eh.
So, sa second na, no? May nilagay akong
Merong
second link. May nilagay akong second link. Gumawa ka ng account dyan. I don't think kailangan na ng email. And then launch game lang para makapasok ka sa game.
Okay.
And magugulat ka kung ano nasa loob ng...
Ay, magro-roll na siya ng dice.
Let's go D&D with friends.
May account ako dito before.
It was
Ay,
Among
sino yung
Us
killer
all
dito?
along.
Sino yung killer dito?
Hindi ko pa alam.
Meow. Pop, emergency meeting.
Kaya pala nasa gitna tayo.
Cafeteria.
Round table.
May emergency meeting. Putang ina.
Ito, si Windsor, pinaspam ako ng cat video sa messenger.
Same. Oh my goodness.
Please.
Gusto niya nga pumunta sa inyo.
Kanino.
Please po. Hindi naman sa amin, sa pusa ko. Hindi pupunta.
Yung pusa lang. Hindi.
Hindi ikaw, hindi yung bahay.
Yeah.
Yung pusa lang.
Sa
You can come back sa screen na Rard. Maganda na yung icon.
Maganda na yung nakalayer.
Aesthetics.
Anong kaklik ko?
launch game.
Fine game lang na sa akin. Fine game.
Hindi, launch game lang, launch game. Meron ba?
Wala. Fine game lang nakalagay.
Oo.
Restart ko.
Ayun.
Ayun. Welcome to the...
The Among Us Inquisition.
Sensor.
Welcome. Talaga yung session natin.
So, Jer, sa upper right, merong settings. Click mo muna yung settings.
Yan.
Okay. So, pumunta ka sa audio and video. Then, click mo yung video display. Yung player video / avatar size, gawin mong names only. Tapos, sa audio video chat, if may nakalagay dyan na chat tech, gawin mong none. Kung wala, sige lang. Okay, sige, hayaan mo na. So, bumalik ka sa chat, merong chat doon. Sa ano? Sa line ng settings, sa tab ng settings, merong chat doon. I want you to roll or like type /r space 3d6. Okay, meron kang 1, so need mo i-roll yan. Gawin mo /r space d6. Single d6 lang. So nire-roll natin yung mga ones. Yan, okay. So 12, 16, wow! Fix that. So kailangan mong gawin yan 5 more times.
5 more times?
Hell yeah.
Yun yung
D6 ka na?
Yan, to D6.
Feeling ko kulang pa tong Among Us dyan.
Nagdagan nyo mag-ambag ka kayo.
So that's 16. That's 12. Okay. 4 more. 13. You do that.
Hindi ko na-reroll yan.
Basta i-roll mo yung mga 1.
Okay.
why so high. Yan. Ay, nagre-roll pa siya.
Sana tayo. 12, 13,
Ah,
12.
Taas.
Wow. That's 13. Last one. Double digit lahat ah. Never mind.
Yes. Ay, yun lang.
Of course.
Caster Chorus.
So, you have to put those numbers on this stats in no particular order. And then, as a rogue, kailangan, hindi mo naman kailangan gawin, pero dexterity is one of your highest stat na gusto mong gawin. Kailangan to explain in the tomato method para mas madali siguro. So, strength is the ability to crush the tomato using your hand. That means malakas ka. Dexterity is the ability to dodge if babatuin ka ng tomato. Constitution is the ability to eat a rotten tomato and hindi sasakit yung tiyan mo. Dun din nag-i-stack yung health mo. Intelligence is knowing that the tomato is a fruit. Wisdom is knowing that you don't put fruit you don't put tomato in a fruit salad. And charisma is actually selling your tomato-based fruit salad to someone. Parang convincing them.
Okay.
Gulat ako sa kama.
So ilagay mo lang sa sa D&D's Nuts na channel.
What the fuck was that?
Wait. So, yung mga na-reroll ko, sa substitution ko sa mga one.
Nasaan ko nakalagay na sa chat. Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
Ay.
Whoa, that's a D20.
I might be. Dito ako
So, may charisma pa.
That's not a bad apple, Carl. That's a bad day.
Oh my god, ano nangyayari?
We are artistic.
What are we summoning?
Yan ang problema kapag may freedom ang mga tao eh.
Oo.
Oh my god, si Windsor na magsasama natin.
Oo nga.
Nandito ako sa cafeteria.
Konting line na lang makukonek ko na lahat.
Si Jer na lang kulang.
Isa connected na siya, connected na.
Hindi kompleto?
Oo,
Di
yun.
ba wala?
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Siya dito, ano sila lang.
Ay, nawawala ako.
Connected din, pwede na tayo mag-summon.
Saan ka ng Among Us, bro?
Isang malit na munggos dito.
Ako rin sasaman.
Nag-drawing ka ng Among Us dyan. Oh my god. Bro, what
Ano
the
si
fuck?
Windsor?
Bro, what the fuck?
Nalit na yung candle.
Tama na si Robert.
Hindi, malis ka dyan, Robert. Mag-isasama tayo ng Among Us.
Tapos yung impostor, sama na natin.
Paano ba mag-drawing nung namatay na ka? Yun ang mahirap. Hindi ko kaya yan eh. Ayun. Tas
Yan
may
ba
buto
yung
sa
emergency meeting natin?
yung dead
Sasama.
body. Let's go. Nalisin mo yan.
Among Us Messiah. Ano mas
Start na tayo ng kulto dito.
Ito ng Among Us naman to, hindi D&D.
This is wrong.
God, this is played wrong, dude.
Di ba kasi gameplay niya?
Ay, hindi ba to? Parang ito na yun eh.
Alam mo, sarap recreation na ba? Kaya ako naging
Alam mo,
Oathbreaker
itong
eh.
red niya yung Dragonborn na Among Us.
Nagawan ko yung isa ng stuff ni Quadri. Oh, fuck, paano ba yung drawing? Ganda lang yung gaganda ng Among Us, ah.
Ganda nga eh.
Pag magdodrawing kasi yung dalawang color, yung isa black, yung isa kung anong kulay. Dalawa yung color dyan eh. Sorry, kaya ko na mag-drawing ng
Ayun!
kasi wala natutunan eh.
Strength, dexterity, constitution.
Gusto ko yung drawing si ano eh. Yung tawag dito.
Now, Flux
Ah.
is the name. I see.
Si Pepe.
Flux yung pangalan mo, Jer? There we go. So, you all have your characters na, you all have your stats na, and I already know your backgrounds. So,
And the Among Us.
and the Among Us. So, yung mangyayari ngayon, tapos na kayo. For the meantime, i-PPM ko kayo one of these days towards the week. PM lang naman. And tatanungin ko lang naman kayo. Mapipili lang naman kayo about sa stats, sa weapons, anything na itatanong ko sa inyo. And then, feel free to message me din if may tanong kayo. But
Sige.
for now, that would be it. Thank you so much for
Sige.
playing with me. Thank you so much for
I-introduce mo muna yung mga character.
choosing. Hindi, mangyayari yun sa ano, mangyayari yun sa first session 1.
May subtitle na ako eh.
Mangyayari yun sa session 1, but for now that would be it. Thank you for picking me as your DM. Thank you for playing with me, and I think that would be it for now. Let's go.
This is one for the road.
This is one for the week.
Okay, frame.
Oh, okay, frame.
Nilagay ko na dito sa DMB notes.
Oh, Pepe.
God.
Ay, Lord, ang
Hey.
ganda.
God.
It's beautiful.
Pwede mo na i-post to.
Sige, post ko yan.
Dapat ganito.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Saan ba nagsimula yung content?
Yeah. Sinong unang naka-discover paano mag-drawing?
ako. Ang hirap naman kaya hindi ako marunong mag-drawing ng Pepe the Frog. Kung nakita ko pa lang eh, okay, I know the possibilities. Kasi in-spam ko na ng Among Us.
Pero ano, may mga players din na ganyan. Kasi mga artists sila eh. Oh, right. Speaking of, not necessarily kailangan nyo mag-drawing or anything, but I would want to ask you a picture to represent your character. Ulo lang naman, ulo tapos leg. Parang bust up lang naman. Na yun yung gagamitin yung ano. Yun
Ako na yung blue. Ako na tong blue.
na gagamitin yung...
Guys, Among Us themed.
Among Us
No!
O sige.
Ako yung
Okay.
Ako yung
Lalagyan ko lang to ng great sword.
Ako yung pink.
No, hindi. Yung parang represent...
Come on.
Actually, even na Among Us na yun.
Para maging ano.
Simula ng content. Please.
Ako tong white. Ano?
Parang representation lang ng character nyo. Pwede nyo gawing ganun yung color. Gawin nyo lang ganun yung color ng ng character nyo. Pero, depende. Color ng damit or
may
anything.
hammer na. May hammer na yung yung character.
Hindi kasi gagawin ko yung parang token na parang ganito. Dito.
Lagyan ko na lang siya ng great sword.
Great sword ni Guts.
Kasi yung mga ibang players gumawa ng I'm not telling you to draw or something, pero kung gusto yung mag-drawing, wala namang problema yan. And, parang isa yan. That's one of the characters, ginawa niya. That's one of the guys na ginawa din. Which are amazing people, amazing artists. But if may
Si
nakita
Don
kayo,
naman gusto niya.
si Luigi, one of the yung inedit niya yung mukha ni Johnny
Luigi?
Sins. Yung inedit ni Luigi yung Johnny
Ay,
Sins
oo,
na
ayun. Oo,
Yeah, it's
kapal.
one of the best ones as well.
May great sword na yung character ko.
Sakto dwarf.
Please, let us be abonggos.
Ang ganda naman ng pink. Sino nalagay ng highlights?
Oo, din ang ganda. Pinagtuunan.
Ang galing.
Pero yun,
Okay, kanya-kanya character.
hanap kayo ng
Abonggos.
hanap kayo ng picture online or if may makita kayong something better if if hindi masyadong kilala or something or nakuha nyo sa game or whatsoever or kung gusto nyo gawin sa Baldur's Gate tapos screenshot nyo pwede din.
Okay na ako.
Galing sa Baldur's Gate.
Yeah.
Alam ko na agad. Pero hindi siya...
Or sa
mag-fit
sa Dark Souls
character
kung
ko.
gusto mo galing sa Dark Souls na character
Hindi
creation
din.
May
Sa
gumawa ng
anime
ganun.
nga pwede.
Hindi.
Ilagay nyo na lang dito, no? I-reply nyo dun sa character nyo. D&D Nuts na channel.
Sige.
Sige. Anyways, thank you guys for watching kung nanood man kayo. Anyway,
Yeah.
I don't really
Kailan ulit?
Fine.
Kailan ulit tayo?
Ganun din, same time or pwede natin i-adjust depending on the hours kung kailan kayo free. Pero usually,
Bukas din tayo nag-end na.
2 hours usually din yung session eh. 2 hours yung session. 2 hours per session rather. Pero minsan, syempre, tumatagal kasi yung mga players gusto pa maglaro. Wala namang problema nun eh. Wala namang ginagawa sa buhay.
Same.
Same.
So anyways, thank you guys for watching and looking forward for the next session. We shall see how they would react to the world I made. Bye.